Hello. My name is Pratik Joshi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be talking about the GMAT starter kit and the two free practice tests that you get when you create your account on the MBA.com website. It's actually very simple to access it and make use of it, but then many people don't know that they actually receive something like this when they create their account on the MBA.com website. So don't worry, I got you covered right there. So without wasting much time, let's go to the screen recording. Once we go to Google, press mba.com and then press enter. Once that is done, click on this link which is there on the top. Once that is done, this page will open up and then we have to go and click on login. Once we click on login, there will be a separate small tab which opens up and then it will ask for your login credentials like your email ID and your password. In this case, what is happening is the pop-up tab is not opening up because I'm screen recording it. So in your case it will open up, so just enter your email ID, enter your password, click enter. Once that is done, your profile on the MBA.com will load just like this. So this is the page that you receive, my profile, my account, all stuff like that. The left hand side I have blurred out because of my personal information, but then here when you go to purchase products, GMAT official prep, click on access GMAT official prep. This many few people know that when you create an account on MBA.com, you will get 90 questions free of cost and 2 exams like GMAT mocks free to answer, and this is similar to the final GMAT exam that you will answer, so enjoy. Okay, so when you click here, welcome to the GMAT official practice platform. You can access all GMAT products including the free GMAT official starter kit plus 2 practice exams 1 and 2. Click on not yet started tab to access the official practice products available to you and start studying. If you do not see your current recently redeemed products, please refresh your browser window. So I'm going to click on not yet started, and yes, so I will get this starter kit plus practice exams. So I'm going to press on study. So fingers crossed, let's see if we get into that. Okay, GMAT official practice loading. Okay, so once that is loaded, we get to this page where you can see welcome to the GMAT official starter kit plus 2 practice exams 1 and 2. Choose, actually I'm just going to cancel it. How to use the study plan, knowledge plan. You can click on this get started, study plan progress, today's knowledge goal. Damn, this is like really good because when I had answered my GMAT, this was not the platform they were using. They were using a very standard platform, but this is very advanced, so you will get to know if you have satisfied today's knowledge goal and where your plan has progressed. So strength and weaknesses, this is great. So if you just want to go, then you can go and click on lessons, I guess, maybe. Great, so you get all these things you can click on and get information. Great, yeah, because I think there is a topic for everything. So let's click just on probability. Oh great, they are explaining concepts as well, so like half of your stuff is there. You get like free lessons and stuff like that. Let's go to practice questions. For practice, custom practice dashboard, start new session, let's see. Okay, so number of questions, customize your practice set, so remaining 90 questions, duration, select the option to practice with unlimited time to set a specific amount of time, study mode, exam mode. Not really sure what this is. Okay, so instead of all remaining questions, I'll just go to choose the type, difficulty and number of questions. So in this, if I just want to maybe answer verbal questions, so what I will do is I will go here and click on critical reasoning, maybe 2 or 3, medium 2, reading comprehension maybe 2, this is 1, hard maybe 2, data sufficiency, sentence correction maybe another 2, depends, choose whatever you want. And then when you do it, now for the duration, so you want unlimited amount, preferably please don't do it unlimited, time yourself because this is the best way you can do it. time. Like for one question you are taking maybe 1 or 2 minutes approximately doing that math. Select the total amount of time you want to answer all these questions in. Then rather than study mode, I would tell you to go for exam mode, because it is same like normal exam. You select the option, move on to the next question. In study mode, when you click on the option, that time only you come to know whether your response is correct or wrong. Okay, so once you click on start practice, your the question set will get loaded, and you will see random questions from random sections. So yes, please go ahead and make best use of this, because this is completely free and it's valid for 90 days, I guess 92 days. So yeah, practice exam 1, practice exam 2. So the first one, I just clicked on the first exam, and you can just go ahead, start your exam, answer the first mock, but then plan when you're gonna answer the mocks. If you want more information on mock exams, click on the I button, because I've given a reference of GMAT mocks, when to answer what mock, and I hope that video helps you as well. So that is it. Yeah, I guess that is all. So that is all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you like what I have done in this video, don't forget to like this video, and if you want similar videos in the future as well, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be seeing you for the next video. So until then, be happy, stay safe, and all the best for your prep.